Welcome to the RLAARLO Engineering Workshop. Today we present the P12 sticker tutorial. We will divide this into 4 sections. Begin with the first section, the roof stickers. This completes the roof sticker section. Now we proceed to the second section, the front stickers. This completes the front sticker section. Next, we proceed to the third section, the rear stickers. This completes the rear sticker section. Next, we proceed to the fourth section, the side stickers. For the final door R logo stickers, please note that red-black shells do not require the following procedure. Only the blue-white shells need to do this process. First, prepare a 1.3 and a 1.5mm hex screwdriver. Remove the body shell and then use the 1.3mm hex screwdriver to remove the door handles. After removing the door handle, use the 1.5mm hex screwdriver to remove the body lock. Once these components are removed, apply the stickers. After applying stickers, use a body reamer or a similar tool to pierce through the door handle and the body lock on the sticker covered areas. Then, reinstall the previously removed components to their original positions. This concludes the complete P12 sticker tutorial. Thank you for watching. Remember to follow us for more RLAARLO product and tutorial videos.